Welcome to English Engager.
Idioms and phrases that you can use in everyday conversations. Break the ice. Meaning: to initiate a conversation or make people feel more comfortable. Example: she brought a game to break the ice during the meeting. Bite the bullet. Meaning: to do something unpleasant that you've been avoiding. Example: I hate going to the dentist, but I'll have to bite the bullet. Spill the beans. Meaning: to reveal a secret. Example: Sarah accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Under the weather. Meaning: to feel ill or unwell. Example: she was under the weather, so she couldn't come to work. A blessing in disguise. Meaning: something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good. Example: losing my job was a blessing in disguise, it led me to a better opportunity. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning: to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example: when she said we needed more time, she really hit the nail on the head. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning: to work late into the night. Example: he's been burning the midnight oil studying for exams. The ball is in your court. Meaning: it's your turn to take action. Example: I sent the email, so the ball is in your court now. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Meaning: to face two difficult choices. Example: she's caught between a rock and a hard place with 2 job offers. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Meaning: an image can convey complex ideas more effectively than words. Example: this photo of the beach proves that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning: what you do is more important than what you say. Example: don't just promise, actions speak louder than words. Don't cry over spilled milk. Meaning: don't be upset over something that cannot be undone. Example: we can't change what happened, so don't cry over spilled milk. It's a double-edged sword. Meaning: something that has both positive and negative aspects. Example: the new job offer is a double-edged sword, better pay but longer hours. The early bird catches the worm. Meaning: the person who starts something early has an advantage. Example: if you want to get the best deals, remember that the early bird catches the worm. By the book. Meaning: to do something according to the rules or in a traditional manner. Example: the manager does everything by the book. Back to the drawing board. Meaning: to start over after something doesn't work out. Example: the design was rejected, so it's time to go back to the drawing board. On the same page. Meaning: to be in agreement or have the same understanding. Example: we had a meeting to make sure we are all on the same page. In a nutshell. Meaning: to explain something briefly or in simple terms. Example: the movie was confusing, but in a nutshell, it was about friendship. Call it a day. Meaning: to stop working for the day or to stop doing something. Example: it's getting late, let's call it a day. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning: to accidentally reveal a secret. Example: don't let the cat out of the bag about the surprise. So, these were 20 idioms and phrases for everyday conversation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.